Hey there, Saral customers. Have you ever found yourself scratching your head when it comes to importing GSTR-1 from third party tools? Well, fret no more because I've got the ultimate guide to make your life easier. In our previous video, we covered GSTR-1 import using the Saral template. Here, we will be seeing different kinds of imports from third party tools. They are Department V2.0 or Tally Prime Excel, Tally Excel, Busy Excel, JSON entry, JSON download, Tally JSON entry. Let's start with Department V2.0 or Tally Prime Excel. You can download the Department Excel template, add the data, and then browse the file in the Saral application to import the Excel data to the application. Similarly, data from Tally, now called Tally Prime, if available in Excel format, can be easily imported here. Tally Excel. If data is available from Tally ERP9 software in Excel format, then this data can be imported in the application here. Busy Excel. Data can also be imported from Busy, another accounting software in India. The process for data import continues to be the same as we did initially in Excel import. JSON entry. If the data is already available in some other software, then we convert the entered data into JSON and then import the JSON file here. Suppose you are using Saral account software where your GST is already calculated. Generate a JSON file and import it to the Saral application. JSON download. Suppose the GST data is already uploaded to the GST portal. Download the JSON file from the GST portal and import it into the application for further usage. Tally JSON entry. Suppose you have exported the data in JSON format from the Tally software and then used the same to import into the Saral application, then you need to use this option. Thank you for watching this video and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos.